It's your boy, the MFG, Drew Crow, and I was a two-time felon and a teenage father that had no direction, and machining changed my life. Now, I travel all over the country teaching kids engineering and CAD/CAM skills to try to help them get on the right path too. But this particular message is for all my future and even current blue-collar ballers. Listen up. I see this comment all the time. I see this in the chat rooms. People hit me up in my inbox. People, probably commented under my post sometimes, but it's a recurring thing. People that are just entering the field, or maybe they live in a smaller town or whatever it may be, that are already in the field, might have been in the field for a couple of years. Sometimes I see the comment of, I'm getting underpaid, or, the dream, like this blue collar dream ain't true, and you can't be a blue collar baller yourself, but you can. And this is what you got to do, and this is how you do it. So all of my blue collar ballers, whether you're a CNC machinist, if you're a programmer, if you're just an operator right now, this works as well. If you are a welder, if you are a PLC programmer, automation engineer, any of those things, if you work in the manufacturing industry, or really the blue collar trades industry anyway, whatever it may be, this is how you gotta go from low on the totem pole, rocket up that joint, and in the first 5 years be touching upwards of 100,000 plus. You are the prize. Let me say it again. You, with your skills, are the prize, and you have to remember that. And what I'm going to teach you is the fact that you have all of the leverage that you might not know that you have. You see, the trades are in a place where they can't get enough people into them and into these positions. And because of that, they're going to pay a premium for people that they can get into these positions, especially if you have the skills and you can stand on that, right? So wherever you may be working right now, or the jobs that you're looking at in your area may not be paying what you wanted to pay. And that's okay, right? You're getting skills right now. So as you're getting your skills, this is how you get the money. Every year, every 6 months, if you've been somewhere, longer than that and you have not done this yet, you should shop yourself. Just like in insurance, just like in any other thing, you want to shop your rates and you want to get the best price. Cell phones, cars, all those different things. Your value increases every year, right? Every 6 months, every new machine that you touch, every new programming language that you know, everything that you're doing, every year of experience that you have, you are more valuable not only to these people, but also the industry as a whole, right? So that means if you are not in the position that you want to be, and that means you're getting the pay that you want, you have the work-life situation that you want, the travel is what you want, the workload is what you want, the culture, most importantly, is what you want. If it's not checking all the boxes for you, then what you do is you shop your resume to other people in town. The thing is, in the trades and blue collar, everybody's hiring right now. Everybody needs a person. So I can guarantee you there's somebody willing to pay you more than what you're getting paid right now. Now, I'm totally not telling you to job hop, because I don't really believe in job hopping, especially if that place is treating you well. You don't want to hold anybody for ransom. You want to have good, relationships with these companies. But go see what your free market value is, and then give that company an option to show you that they care about you just the same. And if they see that other companies want you for this higher rate than what they're paying you, they've got the opportunity to either make this, working situation good for both of you all, or you can go get that bag from the other players. And I suggest for your first 5 years, every year or every 6 months, you should shop yourself, see what your going rate is, and have your employer give you the opportunity to either match that. And opportunity doesn't have to be matched just in dollars. There's work incentives, there's more time off, there is a better work relationship, there is different types of benefits that they can offer you, and that opens up that door for that situation for you to be the best productive worker that you can be. And if that company that you're at can eventually, if they don't now, check all those boxes for you, and if they're willing to do that. If they don't, slide. If they don't match you, and you see that your value on the open market is a whole lot higher than where you are, leave. Go get your bread. Go get the things that matter the most to you right now, because waiting to hope that they'll come, they'll never come. And as a matter of fact, employers might see that you're not going to get what you're worth and really take advantage of that. If you're in one of these smaller towns that are outside of a major city, the good thing about these skills are it's a free ticket to that bigger city. So apply there. Apply to the places in your dreams. You say, hey, yo, I want to live in New York City, or I want to go visit Hawaii, or I want to go to Germany even. I want to go to these different places. Your skills are your passport. As long as you're honing your skills on the back end and you're building up your own, skill set, and you actually are applying yourself, you're getting better at your craft, your numbers are going to continue to rise. And in that first 5 to 8 years, that's a good opportunity for you to catapult yourself into the life that you dreamed about and into the job situation that you dreamed about. After that 5 to 8 year mark, you should have a good idea of what industry is the best for you, what location is the best for you, and the things that are most important for you to get out of a job outside of just pay. Or if all else fails, you've been able to chase a bag, up your market value year after year after year, and you should be in a place where you've made enough money to where if you feel like it, you can start your own company and work for yourself. That's the other beautiful thing about these skills. So that's how the MFG is going to take you from wherever you are right now to becoming a blue collar baller, blue collar boss lady, blue collar bro, whatever you want to be, you there. You should have that bag. You should have a good understanding of what you deserve out of life and what you expect out of a company that you're working for, and then you could pass it on. Let's go.